Imagine that you're having a party and you're serving chicken wings with barbecue sauce, also salsa and chips and applesauce for the kids. And there are stickers and glue for crafts to keep the kids busy and happy also. Then imagine that the day after, you have to clean up all the mess. That job could take some time and effort, right? Well, you'll get the job done so much faster and easier with the scrape and sweep, you will never want to be without it. Watch the video and see for yourself. Then go to www.scrapeandsweep.com to let us know that you want one. Production will resume soon, so reserve one or two for yourself now, and we will let you know when they are available to buy and ship.